Say hello, fishy. Say bye-bye. Oh, well slimed out now. That's disgusting.
There it is.
And it's going to go again in a minute. Oh, bastard. Oh, dear. We'll get another one, don't worry. There's only more where that came from. Ready?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Good spot fishing.
The concentration there. It's exceptional. Wait, don't film me while I'm trying to watch the bites. It's quite unnerving. Look
Big
how
one, is it?
bigger.
Is it bigger?
A lot bigger. Look at, oh shit, I might. Can you grab the line? I don't think my rod can support. It's pissed and shit everywhere as well, didn't it? God, I always lost loads of maggots.
There it is.
Alright!
Belly
Look
flop.
at that. That's
Oh,
fish
oh, that's right.
Little stuck out, that one.
Whoa, what's good on my rod?
Oh, isn't that bad boy down there?
It's getting dark well quick.
I'll put some more bait on. That was a bit nice. Hit the liveliest ones, didn't we?
There's loads over the back there.
Oh.
One right there.
Where?
It's all over there.
Should try and get it over the back.
I don't reckon you'll get it over there, will you?
I don't know.
I'll leave it there for a minute. We'll see it, won't they? I can see the maggots.
Yeah. Not moving about as much as they were before at all.
Lovely job.
Oh, I've got the time, got the time.